Read ka, read. You open the book. Kuya. Kuya. Wow, very good. Ilan? Ilan?
This car moves slowly. People, animals, it and things can be opposites because of where they are. This bird is high up. This worm is low down. Worm. This boy is inside, but his sister is outside.
Sige, read na.